Hi you guys, this is Natalie from Simply Natalie. Welcome to my channel. And in this episode, I want to share with you this amazing salad. So fresh, perfect for summer, red ice salad. I don't know if you ever tried this salad, but my mom used to make this salad all the time. And to be honest with you, I never made this salad before. This is my first time. So let's get started. So for this salad, we're gonna need eggs, dill, radish. I have a bunch of radish over there. Cucumber, right? Then we're gonna need garlic, sour cream, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. So I'm gonna slice radish first. So about like that. That will do. Okay. Slice a cucumber. So I slice cucumber about the same as I slice radish. About the same. There. I'm gonna put everything in a big bowl. I'm gonna slice boiled eggs there. And we're gonna put everything in a big bowl. Next, I'm gonna slice green onion, just like that. A little bit of dill. Next, we're gonna mix 2 garlic. Goes there. So it depends how spicy you want, how garlicky you want. If you want more garlic, you can add more garlic. Of course, if you want less, you can add only 1 garlic. So far I add 2 and I think it's plenty enough. Now all we're gonna need is salt, freshly ground black pepper. There. Now I'm gonna mix the salad very well so all ingredients get incorporated very well. And when the radish in a season, that's when you can do a lot of the salad. This is amazing, yummy salad. So let me try. Get the radish. So delicious, you guys. I hope you give this salad a try. Let me know if you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.